Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, the markets faced selling pressure across the board with Nifty correcting down 0.91%. Bank Nifty too witnessed a sharp dip of 1.47%. While the mid-cap index and small-cap index fell by 1.06 and 0.62% respectively. The selling was seen especially in the FMCG and the banking space, which were the most impacted in trade yesterday. Coming to levels, the key level to watch out for Nifty would be the 13-day EMA level, the levels of 21,500, which was guarded in trade yesterday. Also, the other important factor to watch out was India VIX. It witnessed a rebound in trade yesterday, and above 13.5 it could once again inch closer towards levels of 14.2. These levels you would have to watch out for, and it would be better to trim the leverage positions and hedge wherever possible. Coming to the macro factors, the US dollar index is currently trading around 102.5 levels, while the US 10-year yields recovered above 4 and has surpassed the 20-day EMA post better set of economic data in the last few trading sessions. Brent crude has once again witnessed selling pressure at higher levels, leading it to retest the levels of $75-76 a barrel. Below $75 a barrel, crude prices could weaken towards $70-71 a barrel, which would be positive from a macroeconomic standpoint for our markets. A quick check on the global markets. Post a minor correction from higher levels, the S&P 500 has retested its 20-day EMA around 4,680-4690 and has witnessed a pullback. So looking ahead, the index could witness a pullback towards the levels of 4,750, which would be the first hurdle, above which the index can move towards levels of 4,840, 4,890 levels on the upside. The crucial support zone would be the levels of 4,640, 4,650 zones, and the index should hold these levels in the near term. Coming to Nifty, Nifty futures added OI of nearly 0.9% on a cumulative basis yesterday, and going forward the levels of 21,470, 21,490 zone would act as an important support, while on the upside resistance is placed at 21,630, 21,670 levels. Below 21,470 index could witness a test towards the levels of 21,350, 21,280 on the downside. While above 21,680 index would once again witness a continuation of the positive momentum up to lifetime highs of 21,800, 21,830 on the upside. Coming to the OI data, that is for the weekly series, significant call writing is witnessed in 21,550, 21,600 strikes, while on the put front it is majorly seen in 21,500 and 21,400. So the broad range for the index could be 21,450 on the downside and 21,730 on the upside. Coming to Bank Nifty futures cumulative OI surged by nearly 23%, implying short built up in trade yesterday. And going forward, the zone of 47,100, 47,200 is likely to act as an important support, while on the upside resistance is seen at 47,730, 47,800 levels. Above the zone of 47,800, Bank Nifty could witness short covering up to the levels of 48,200, 48,300 on the upside. While on the downside, in case 47,100 breaks, index can retest its next support placed at 46,800, 46,600 mark. For Bank Nifty's weekly expiry, significant call built up is witnessed in 47,500, 47,600 calls, while on the put side it is majorly seen in 47,200 and 47,000 strikes, implying a near term range of 47,000 and 47,800 for the banking index. Coming to stocks and sectors in momentum, analyzing the derivative data reveals long built up in JK Cement, GMR Infra, Hind Petro, ONGC, HCL Tech, while short built up was witnessed in Navin Fluoro, Hind Copper, Marico and Bank of Baroda. From the broader market, bullish setup was observed in Adani Ports, Trident, TVS Motors, Shriram Finance, Century Textile, Kalyani Jewelers, Reddington, Angel One, Amber, Alchem, Network 18, Godrej Industries, and Olectra. Coming to the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, FIs and DIs bought to the tune of 16 crores and 155 crores respectively. FI long short ratio for index futures marginally worsened to 61.95 as they sold about 17,275 index future long positions, and on the stock futures front, FI sold to the tune of 41,664 contracts, while on the options front, FI sold about 2,61,306 call contracts and 2,36,389 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.